way you become a general contractor is you want to check with your state to see what the regulations are for construction. To be a general contractor in certain states, you may need to get licensed, and you most certainly need to get insured. So that's level one. Level two is you need to be able to actually know how to execute on a construction contract. What that means is knowing how to do a kitchen, how to do a bathroom, how to build a house. Whatever avenue of construction you're looking to take on, which if you're looking to be a general contractor, that is general construction, which is encompassing all types of construction, usually commercial and residential, not just residential. You may want to just focus on residential or only focus on commercial, but if you're being a general contractor in a particular state, it may mean and it may require that you know both types of construction to be considered an actual general contractor.